What's up, guys? It's Neon Phoenix here, and welcome to a horror game called Puppetmaker. I was trying to search for horror games to play because I haven't played a horror game in so long, and I found this game, so let's go ahead and start it. Hard, normal, easy. Let's go with normal? Normal. We'll go hard maybe later. Try to be as silent as possible. Look at this ugly motherfucker. Oh, shit. What the hell? Pick up the knifeu! Oh! What in the fuck? Oh! That's a no bueno! Nuh-uh. Hold your mouth to collect. What do I collect? Oh shit. Did I make a noise? He can hear you. No shit. The sneak? Hold control, it says, right? Anything to pick up? What to pick up? What to pick up? Pick up. Shit. Press E. I can't read that, but you guys can read in the comments. If you guys can read that, please tell me what it says in the comments. Oh. Fuck, why'd I run? What the fuck do I pick up? Dear Helen, we count 81 days now since Stephen has been reported missing. His last letter written October 20th, 1995. Oh. Hiya! Oh shit. It's gonna come? Pause. Oh! Oh! Oh, fuck! Just don't run. What are you, nuts? Crouch. Breathe. Use space to breathe. Use the mouse wheel to slowly open the doors. Shit, slowly. Nice and careful. The fuck do I do with this? Can I turn this? Oh, I can turn this. I has idea. Oh shit. Oh! Oh shit! We're in a fucking lucky situation! Breathe. 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 Oh! Ah! Just because I breathed? I just did a little... What the hell? Just because I did a little... And I died. The generator went out. That's an win right there. This guy's generally scary. Okay. Distracted. Okay. He's coming. Go. Shit. Be quiet. Be quiet. Breathe. Okay. I think we're safe. Hiya! Why'd I do that? Okay. He's coming. Breathe. Breathe. Calm down, boy. Breathe. No. Breathe. 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 Where is he? Where'd he go? I gotta be very, very, very quiet. Can't make a single peep. Ew, get us off my screen. Where'd he go? Oh! What the fuck? That caught me off guard. I was looking somewhere other way. Okay, so that one was my fault. I looked somewhere else while I was moving. Damn. This game is hard. This game is hard. I was gonna say like a Cub Scout joke, but nah. I'll leave that for Cubs. That's his original. That's my boy right there. Okay. Crap. Don't breathe. Okay, don't breathe. Is he coming? He can see you. Is he coming? Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. This a tripwire? What the fuck? Oh. Will you stop breathing so damn loud? He can hear us, you fool! What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that smiling face over there? Shit. Stop breathing so damn loud, you damn fool. It's gonna hear us. Fuck. That made noise. Is he gonna go towards the noise? Because I think that's what's gonna happen. I think so. Okay, breathe. Breathe. Calm down. Bro, come on. Oh shit. Oh shit, he's running. Ah! Oh. I would have died right there. I'm such an idiot. Now I'm trapped in here until I can find a good way out. So the man, why can't I just grab a knife and end his life? Knife and life. Fuck. Breathe. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Oh! I didn't even breathe. Now we gotta go on little baby. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna go let me hold your hand mode. Come on, you know we're not gonna hold let me hold your hand, Kane. Let's do this together mode. Nope, in the cell. Oh. See, that's a no bueno right there. Nah, not in my swamp. Not in my swamp. Okay. I made it. Hold my breath. Hold my breath. Field running. Oh. Oh no. Now I gotta creep. Come on. Hold my breath. Hold my breath. Okay, just run along. Oh my god. That should buy me enough time. Oh, fuck. Why are you breathing so damn loud? Why are you breathing so loud? We gotta go to that other room. Snap out of it. Which side is he coming from? Alright, let's go. Oh, don't breathe, don't breathe. Please don't hurt me. I'm just but a humble lad. I have a family. Okay, the family trick worked. Okay. That should distract him. Fuck! Oh! Oh, hello there! Okay. Open the door slowly. Pliers. Hide. Oh! No. Come on, you don't want to kill me. Ah! Which way? Which way? Oh. Oh no. Pretend your chair. Pretend you're in chair. Pretend your chair. Shut the door. At least he was nice. Why am I bugging out? You hear that? Oh shit. He's here. Breathe. Calm down. Calm down. Oh. Crap. This is very confusing. Oh, my computer's gonna die. No! Not like this. At least let me charge it first. Okay. Come on. Uh-oh. Which way? Oh, fuck. Oh. Ah! Oh. Please touch the door. At least he was polite. That's the first one. If I can get these all these pipes, I'll be happy. Well, I have a cup. Ah! Come on. Ah! Breathe. Just breathe. Calm down. It's a bit scary. Come on. Breathe. Okay. Calm down. He's right there. Just gonna shut the door? He's still in the room. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's coming. He's here. I hear him. Breathe. No. No. Calm down. Do not breathe. Do not. Breathe. coming. Don't breathe. There was nothing. Oh shit, protect your chair. Please shut the door. At least he's polite. Okay, he's coming back. Protect your chair. Just a chair. Just a chair. Just a chair. Calm down. Shake it off. Shake it off. Fuck. He put the burners. Now you gotta go back to that machine. Oh. Can I make a run for it? Ah! I'm done. Nah, that took so long. Well, if you guys want to see any more horror games, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. This is the Neon Phoenix signing out. I had so much fun with this. I'll see you guys next time.